Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2020 and up Mitsubishi Outlander, the 95-7022HG. To start, using the panel removal tool, gently unsnap the radio trim panel. Next, remove the 4 screws and remove the factory radio. Carefully remove the radio chassis and unplug and disconnect all harnesses. Attach the radio brackets to the radio trim panel using the 4 Phillips screws provided. Slide the radio into the completed assembly and then secure it to the assembly using the screws supplied with the radio. Locate the factory wiring harnessing and antenna connector in the dash and complete all necessary connections to the radio. Finally, reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to complete the installation. Visit MetraOnline.com for audio, video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit MetraOnline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.